to be making Kaleidoscope soaps today, and these are going to be soap on a rope. This one, I'm actually going to be doing kind of mini batches instead of making a big batch. I'm going to be doing some mini ones. So this one is going to be a Christmassy theme one, which I think will be fun. I'm using Autumn Fig Harvest, which it does say autumn, but I think this is the perfect Christmas scent. It smells straight up like Christmas to me. I love it. And it's actually one of my best sellers as far as holiday scents go. The colors I'm going to be doing, I have Shimmering Dark Gold Mica from Wholesale Supplies Plus, Super Sparkle Crimson, excuse me, that's not crimson, Cinnamon Red Mica from Wholesale Supplies Plus, Red Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I'm going to be combining these two. I haven't used this one yet. I've used it in Melt and Pour, but I haven't used it in Cold Process yet, but I'm hoping to get some sparkle in there. I have Green Vibrance from Nurture Soap, and then I have Super Pearly White Mica from Bramble Berry. So those are the ones that I'm going to be doing. I have them already mixed in with a little bit of sweet almond oil. And what I'm going to do, small batch, I'm going to mix my soap batter, add the fragrance as a well-behaved fragrance, and non-discoloring, and then I'm going to put it in these four, and then I have an extra one that I'll pour the extra batter in. This will just go on top, in the very bottom, because there's going to be a little gap between the Kaleidoscope tool and the pull-through tool and where the soap starts, and then I'll put the rest on the top. This is handmade. I've never bought one, but this is handmade. This is just a bubble wand that I cut, and then I just put a coated wire hanger through. So this is what I'm going to be using for my Kaleidoscope tool. And these are the column molds that I use. I have two large ones, and then I have a smaller one. With these, they do have the tendency to have some leakage with these particular ones. I don't think they actually even make these anymore. But I add a little bit of cling wrap along the seam on the inside, and then I wrap it along the bottom to close off any areas, and then I put a little bit of tape along the top. The nice thing about actually adding the tape is then it makes it so I can pour more in there. So what I'm going to do with these, like I said, I've got three of them. I'm going to be making 3 different batches. I need to make myself some shampoo soap. So once I make these, I'm just going to pour that batter on top of it once it's set up enough, because I can just cut it. And no point in waiting for everything to get done and then getting the molds clean and dirty again. So I'll go ahead and do that, and you'll obviously see them when it's time to cut. But I think I've got everything set and ready to go. Quick emulsion, not going to do any type of major trace, because if you do that, then it obviously won't work. I want to try to keep the batter as centered as possible, so I'm going to attempt to pour down a funnel. Some of the tools that people have a rod that goes down the center. That way they can pour right down the rod. I don't have that. Sometimes I can eyeball things, sometimes it doesn't work very well. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started.